They want you to work until you're 65, 70, maybe older than that. Retire, get a pension that might not keep up with the cost of living. And then you barely have that much life left to live. It's your boy Terrence Carter, TC Talks, TC Fitness. I'm glad to here with y'all back at it again with another video. So I'm making this video before I head to work on a Sunday. With that being said, I was just listening to some Napoleon Hill, and the video that I was listening to definitely was speaking some real truths, right? So first reason why I want to talk about this in today's video is because I see the cycle that the people that I work with, I see the cycle that they will put in, right? And I can only imagine if they use their energy to create instead of obey. Because when you put your life in the hands of a company, that is very, very costly. You understand what I'm saying? Meaning, you never really tapped into your full potential because your main focus was survival. I work with a lot of older people. A lot. And it shows me that even getting a retirement or social security or all this, whatever they be saying, bro, pension and all that, it's not enough, because if that was the case, they would not be working there. Right? Now I get it, you build up to that. Obviously, you work a certain amount of years at the job and whatever. But I remind myself every day to tap into your full potential. You know, do things that make you happy. Do things that produce income, because I don't I don't want to be in the system where I'm sitting there working for somebody for 40, 50 years of my life, and then I got but so much time left on this planet to actually live my life. And then every day I would ask myself, oh, what if I would have did this? Or what if I would have did that? You know what I'm saying? This is why I do the things that I want to do in my life. I create my reality. I don't let somebody else dictate what my reality is going to be. You have your physical body, and then you have your mind. Your mind is very powerful. We're taught to just work with the physical body, using the physical body all day, like we're machines, like we're robots. And by the time you hit a certain age, you're tired, bro. You're worn out. Let's just be honest. And the number one thing you might ask for is, I just wish I had more time. I just wish I could go back to when I was 25, when I was 30 years young. But you're 65, you're 70. And you know that time is ticking. And nobody's going to remember you for all of the hours that you worked. They're going to remember you for who you were as a person. The impact that you had on their lives. Individual people. If we spend all of our time just working and working and working and working, and we're working for a piece of paper that they print every day, but you never took the time out to sit down and think and say there got to be another way to make money other than just working. If you don't question nothing, you will obey to anything. And that's very, very scary. Because the matrix is put right in front of your face. Who gave the people a retirement age? Who created that? Who created the social security income every month, or the pension that you may get? That it may depend on how long you've been at the job. It might be a couple 100,000. It might be less than that. Who knows, bro? But you had to put in that much hours. You have to give that much amount of years of your life to one place. And you got to hope that God is going to give you 10, 15, 20 more years on this planet. Because from 65 plus 20 years on the planet, that's 85. But once again, your body's already beat down. Your mind is probably cooked. No, you're asking for is for, I wish I could go back. So for my people that's in in your 30s, like myself, 31, or for the people that's younger than me, early 20s, late 20s, please make sure you're doing the things that make you happy. Please make sure you're investing your money. You putting your money to work, because you can't get none of this time back. I need you to understand that. You can ask any older person walking around this planet and they'll tell you, I wish I can go back to your age. That's what they're gonna say. And you might have some older people at your job that don't like you, or they might feel some type of way because you're young and you vibrant and you got the energy and a life force, and they wish they had that. And it's not knocking our elders. It's none of that. You feel me? Nothing against our elders, because at the end of the day, one day we gonna get to their age. But we gotta pay attention to what we doing, because time is moving. Use your creative muscles. Bring your ideas to life. Take the risk. Take the chance on yourself. Be willing to bet on yourself. You never know what the outcome could be, but you ain't gonna know unless you try. Make sure you working out. Make sure you journaling. Make sure you growing spiritually, physically, mentally, emotionally. You getting your finances in order, because time does not wait for it. None of us, bruh. The only way out of the system that the Matrix has designed is for you to own everything. Because they're buying your time with low wages. So an hour of your life is $20. A minute of your life is 33 cents. And they want y'all to think that slavery ended. They want y'all to think that modern day slavery don't exist because they not whipping you with chains and you don't got shackles around you. Bruh, mental enslavement. Hamster wheel enslavement. We gonna give you this check every 2 weeks. That's not gonna really help your life out too much. You might be able to save a couple dollars. You might be able to take care of what you gotta take care of, but we gonna make sure you don't have that much to escape the plantation. It's all by design. That's why I say think outside the box. This is the box. You gotta think outside of it. You gotta move different, bro. Don't be a what if I would have did this. I should have did that person, bro. Don't be that type of person. Do what it is that you want to do. Because you never know the outcome. The only person that's going to know the outcome is you and God and the universe. And the universe is within. God is within. That's why I say you got to buy back your time. You buy back your time by asset ownership. You cherish your early 20s, your late 20s, your early 30s, your late 30s. You cherish it. And you keep yourself in alignment. Don't be a cog in the wheel. Don't be a hamster. Don't be on the hamster wheel for 40 or 50 years. And then you start sitting back and you start saying, damn, I should have did this. I should have did that. Don't let fear get in the way. because that's the number one thing that holds a lot of people back. They are afraid of the unknown. You don't know what's going to happen if you take the chance on yourself, if you bet on yourself. You don't know what the end result is going to be. We know the end result of I work these 8 hours, I get paid X amount of dollars, I get paid this day on during the month, I get paid this day during the month. It's comfortability. But if you think differently and you move differently, you take more risk, a better chance on yourself. Don't fear the unknown. Just let it happen. Quick video for the channel, but I'm about to head to work. I tell you this all the time. I'm working my way. I'm investing my way. Excuse me. I'm investing my way out of the system. And y'all want to join me on this journey? Come join me on this journey. I want to subscribe to the channel. You could. That helps the channel. It's free. Y'all can subscribe to other people's channel, and they don't post things with substance. Nothing that's gonna help you. It's entertainment all day. Nah, I'm here to educate people. I'm here to help you. I'm here to tell you things you need to hear. Because the same things I tell y'all is what I tell myself. All right. Retain your energy too. Take back your power. Stop being weak. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll be back at it in one video for y'all.